My name is Benedict Paclen. I discuss is how digital data is sent to signal. Digital communication turns data into signals that can travel through cables, light or air so devices can share informations. A communication chain is transmitter prepares data for sending, channel, the path that signals travel like cable, fiber and air, and receiver recovers and interprets the data. Every communication system has these three parts. Without them, the message cannot move from one device to another. Since raw 0 and 1 second cannot travel through air or cable directly, modulation changes them into waveform signal that can. Example, in QAM, combinations of phase and amplitude represents multiple bits. Types of transmission media. Copper wires use electricity, cheap but short distance. Fiber optics use light very fast and long distance. Wireless, like radio waves, flexible, no wire needed. The medium decides how fast and how far data can travel. Fiber is fastest, copper is cheapest, wireless is most convenient. These 5 transmissions mode, like serial, 1 bit at a time, used for a long distance. Parallel, many bits at once, good for short distance. Simplex, one way only, like TV and broadcast. Half duplex, two-way but not at the same time, like walkie-talkie. Full duplex, two-way at the same time, like phones. Modes describe how data flows. They affect speed, efficiency, and practicality depending on the system. Digital communication is the best backbone of internet, phones, and modern technology. It ensures data moves reliably from one to another.